how to get rid of screen time on iPhone. So let's say you have already set up your screen time and you want to turn that off or get rid of it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go here to your settings. Let's just go back here a little bit and it will look like this. Now all you have to do is to go in this section where you can see screen time. Click on screen time here, and now since you have already set it up and you wanted to get rid of that or to turn that off, then what you're gonna do is scroll all the way down up until you see turn off app and website activity. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on that and it will ask for your screen time password for them to turn your screen time off. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna enter your password here and then just confirm, and basically now you have successfully turned off, or you have gotten rid of the screen time on your iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.